if we were nimble, we could climb in there, but I will not be doing that. Abandoned home on the side of the road, and to my surprise, in the backyard, Mr. Leroy and Miss Janie. As I look back, it appears that there's more graves here. Different last name than the other two. And even further back, I see more. Let's go take a look at those. Just proof that you never know what you're gonna find. And there's the empty home there. I thought that was it, but these small metal signs here, I've seen those in that one over there too. I've seen those in older cemeteries that designate plots. If I get closer to it, I can't read anything on it. Nothing there either. Nope. If anyone knows exactly what these symbolize, if they are plot markers, comment down below and let me know. I'm super curious if this actually is an unmarked grave.